How to fix Snapchat? We can't verify this phone number. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat phone number, or if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account and if you're facing a problem, then what you can do is, the first thing you can do is you can check your internet connection. So you can switch to your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, and after having a stable internet connection, now simply go and check your information, like if you have provided the wrong information, like your wrong phone number, or if you have mistakenly entered the wrong phone number. And after checking all of that, now simply open up your settings and go for apps and notifications, and here go for see all apps and then go for Snapchat. And after opening your Snapchat, now you can go for storage and cache, and then you can simply go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. And after that, you can also do an update. You can check for an update. You can open up your Play Store and then go for Snapchat. And after searching for Snapchat, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you need to update your Snapchat so that your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is you can restart your device. So you can simply hold on to that power button, and now here after holding that for 2 to 3 seconds, you will have this restart option. Go for restart and restart your device so that your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.